The world of reality television often creates an unusual bond between stars and viewer where every post, picture, and appearance gets dissected and analyzed. For Amy Slayton, one of the most beloved stars of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, this bond has once again become a point of concern. As fans noticed something alarming, mysterious bruises that appeared in recent photos and sparked a flurry of questions about her well-being. The curiosity surrounding Amy's sudden bruises has snowballed into widespread discussions online, with fans flooding social media platforms to express concern, speculate about possible causes, and demand answers about what's really happening behind the scenes of her life. This wave of concern demonstrates not only the loyalty of her supporters but also the scrutiny that comes with being a reality TV figure whose every move is under the public eye. Amy Slayton first entered the reality television spotlight alongside her sister Tammy in 1000 LB Sisters, a TLC series that chronicled their weight struggles, health battles, and personal journeys. The Kentucky-born sisters quickly captured the hearts of viewers with their honesty, humor, and at times heartbreaking openness about obesity, family dynamics, and the hope for a better life. Amy, in particular, was often seen as the more optimistic sister, working tirelessly to lose weight, improve her health, and build a loving environment for her children. Fans have rooted for her through her ups and downs, including her successful bariatric surgery, the joy of becoming a mother, and her attempts to maintain balance after difficult family drama. However, the appearance of unexplained bruises has shifted the narrative, leaving fans uneasy and searching for answers. The first spark of concern arose after Amy shared seemingly innocent photos on social media where attentive fans noticed dark marks on her arms and legs. At first, some dismissed the marks as simple accidents, possibly the result of everyday bumps or clumsy movements that anyone could experience. But as more photos appeared with visible bruising, speculation began to grow. Many viewers wondered if the bruises were simply health-related, while others feared a more troubling cause. The lack of clarification from Amy herself only fueled the rumors, with fans debating everything from medical issues related to her past weight struggles to more personal matters that might be playing out behind closed doors. Health experts and longtime watchers of the show have pointed out that unexplained bruising can sometimes be linked to deficiencies, blood conditions, or side effects from weight loss surgery. Since Amy underwent bariatric surgery as part of her transformative journey, some fans suggested that her body might be dealing with lingering side effects, particularly if her vitamin and nutrient intake is unbalanced. Vitamin deficiencies such as low vitamin K or iron can lead to easier bruising, and with Amy's history of medical challenges, some worried that her health might not be as stable as it appears on camera. This possibility resonates with fans who remember how much effort she put into her health journey and who now fear that her hard work may be under threat. Others, however, focused less on medical speculation and more on Amy's personal life. Since her separation and divorce, Amy's life has been under a microscope, with many wondering how the stress of single motherhood and the emotional toll of public scrutiny may be affecting her. Some of the chatter online grew darker, with fans raising the possibility of emotional or even physical turmoil behind the scenes. While there is no evidence to support these claims, the nature of celebrity gossip often magnifies worst-case scenarios. The repeated sight of bruises in new photos only amplified those concerns, leaving many to worry about whether Amy might be dealing with personal struggle, as she hasn't shared publicly. The debate reached a boiling point when fan forums and Facebook groups dedicated to 1000 LB Sisters became flooded with threads about Amy's mysterious bruises. Posts quickly gathered hundreds of comments as fans swapped theories, with some urging patience and respect for her privacy while others demanded that TLC or Amy herself address the situation directly. The emotional investment that fans have in Amy's journey is evident. Many feel protective of her after watching her triumph over obesity and embrace motherhood, and they want reassurance that she is not in danger or declining in health. For them, the bruises are not just minor marks but potential warning signs that their beloved star needs help. What makes this situation even more complex is Amy's role as a mother to two young boys. Fans know how much her children mean to her and how she has expressed time and again that her greatest motivation for losing weight and improving her life was to be there for them. This adds another emotional layer to the conversation, as many supporters worry not only about Amy's health but also about the well-being of her family. Social media users have expressed fears that if the bruises point to a larger health issue, Amy's ability to parent could be impacted, or that stress from her personal life could spill over into her role as a mother. These concerns, whether founded or not, would drive fans to speak out with urgency. Of course, not all voices in the conversation are convinced there is a major issue at hand. Some argue that bruises are a normal part of life, particularly for someone who might be active with young kids and constantly juggling household responsibilities. Children at a playful age often climb, tug, and bump into their parents, and bruises can easily result from everyday interactions. In this view, the situation has been blown out of proportion by fans who are too quick to worry and speculate without concrete information. Still, even those downplaying the issue acknowledge that Amy's silence about the marks only feeds the cycle of concern and speculation. TLC has not released any official statement regarding Amy's bruises, and it remains unclear whether the subject will be addressed in the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. The network has a long history of balancing entertainment with sensitivity, but it also thrives on the drama and curiosity that such mysteries create. Many fans predict that the bruises may be part of a storyline in future episodes, while others criticize the idea that something potentially serious could be used as fodder for ratings. This ongoing tension between real life and reality TV highlights the blurred lines that stars like Amy must navigate, where their private struggles become public content. In the absence of direct answers, fans have taken to offering messages of support. Social media platforms are filled with well wishes, prayers, and hopeful comments encouraging Amy to take care of herself and seek medical attention if needed. This wave of compassion reflects how deeply connected viewers feel to her journey and how her vulnerability on the show has inspired loyalty. For many, Amy is more than just a TV personality, she is a relatable figure whose struggles and triumphs mirror their own, and that connection fuels a genuine desire to see her happy and healthy. The concern over Amy Slayton's mysterious bruises may never be fully resolved unless she chooses to address the topic herself, but it has already become a significant chapter in the ongoing story of her life in the public eye. Whether the marks are a result of medical issues, stress, parenting accidents, or something else entirely, the intense fan reaction underscores the unique bond she has built with viewers. This is the paradox of reality TV fame. The love and support of fans comes hand in hand with relentless scrutiny. And every detail can spark conversations that spread far beyond what the star ever intended. For now, Amy continues to live her life as a mother, reality star, and public figure, balancing the spotlight with her personal responsibilities. The discussion around her bruises is a reminder that the lives of reality TV stars are not just entertainment but deeply human stories filled with complexity, vulnerability, and resilience. As fans wait for clarity, one thing is certain, the concern for Amy Slayton's well-being shows that despite the chaos of speculation, at the heart of it all is a community that wants nothing more than to see her thrive. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.